can't have any bill for my father. Do that. We just beautiful. Yeah, the hair is lovely.
Harish Salve, former Solicitor General of India, married his British partner Trina in London on Sunday. The wedding was attended by high-profile guests including Neeta Ambani, steel tycoon Lakshmi Mittal and model Ujjwala Raut. However, it was former IPL chairman Lalit Modi's presence that has stirred a political controversy, drawing flack from opposition parties. Salve, who has been selected as a member of One Nation, One Election, has been surfacing in the headlines for enjoying with former Indian Premier League chairman Lalit Modi at his grand wedding. The opposition leaders took a jibe at Salve and passed various comments over the presence of Lalit Modi in Salve's wedding. Taking a dig at the centre, Shiv Sena MP Priyanka Chaturvedi said that Salve, who is a part of One Nation, One Election, has been seen enjoying with a fraud like Lalit Modi, who has been escaping Indian law. Her post on X read, "Not that I care about Sarkari BJP lawyer marrying a third time and then very conveniently waxing eloquent on behalf of Modi government on uniform marriage laws, polygamy, etc. But what should concern everyone is the presence of a fugitive who is escaping Indian law as an invitee and celebrating Modi government's favourite lawyer's wedding. Who is helping whom? Who is protecting whom is now not even a question anymore." Meanwhile, General Secretary of Maharashtra Congress Pritesh Shah slammed Salve for sharing light moments with Lalit Modi at the former's wedding. He also accused Salve for defending the suspension of Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, who addressed Nirav Modi, Lalit Modi, thief. Shah was quoted as saying, "Rahul Gandhi was disqualified for calling Nirav Modi, Lalit Modi, thief and Harish Salve to defend it. Recently, the Modi government formed a high-level committee on One Nation, One Election. Harish Salve, who was enjoying it with fugitive Lalit Modi, is part of that committee." On the other hand, SM coordinator of INC overseas, Vijay Thodathil, took a jibe at Salve on X by saying, "Modi ji's One Nation, One Election committee member Harish Salve having a gala time with two frauds, Lalit Modi and Moin Qureshi. Bhakts only know of one fraud, that is Mr. George Soros." Aam Aadmi Party also called Salve's friendship with Lalit Modi a black mark on PM Modi's reputation. Meanwhile, actor KRK Kamal R. Khan said, "Lalit Modi is a wanted criminal in India. Top lawyer of India Harish Salve is enjoying a party with him. This is the proof of how criminals are looting India and enjoying life without fear." Harish Salve married his British partner Trina in London on Sunday at a grand wedding that was attended by some high-profile guests including Neeta Ambani, steel businessman Lakshmi Mittal and model Ujjwala Raut. Meanwhile, former IPL chairman Lalit Modi was suspended from the BCCI over allegedly defrauding the Board of Control for Cricket in India of Rs 753 crore. Lalit Modi fled India in May 2010 shortly before the Enforcement Directorate was to file a case against him, citing threat to his life. The Mumbai-headquartered BCCI filed a police case against Lalit Modi in Chennai in October 2010. Lalit Modi has been in London since 2010 when he left India amid investigations into tax evasion and money laundering cases.